Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Bing AI chat. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Bing chat AI to help you furnish your home or make plans to furnish your home. Make calculations, approximate estimates, the planning, the structures where you're gonna get all the stuff and how you can actually proceed and assemble the puzzle. So, very important note as usual, Bing AI works only when you're very precise with your request with your prompts. Okay, this is not Bart AI or ChatGPT. You gotta be extremely precise. Okay, so in our example over here, we are going to ask. We're going to say that I am planning to renovate my house, which is in Long Island, New York. Uh, we're going to ask, can you please give us an estimate for the labor and materials costs, and I would say approximate uh, duration or approximate completion of the project. Also guys, we gotta be a little more detailed. We're gonna say that the house is made out of wood and needs a new facade and roof. Okay guys, we were very detailed, so let's see how it goes. Okay, searching for. Hello, this is Bing. I'm glad you're considering renovating your house in Long Island City. Unfortunately, I cannot give you an exact estimate for the labor and materials cost for the house, because however I can provide you with some general information. The restoration and may need to help. According to some web sources, the average. So this is good. So the AI chat might not have the exact info. They might not have approximate estimates or something, but they could essentially access the recent estimates or what people post on Reddit or what people post as reviews, and they can give you what is the average and most common reply. So over here they're saying that according to some resources, okay, an average cost of remodel a house in Long Island is $20,000 to $100,000. Wow. Depending on the scope of the quality of the renovation, a full gut to the stubs and remodel costs $100,000 to $200,000 or $60 to $150 per square foot. A kitchen remodel costs $10,000 to $50,000 on average, and the bathroom remodels cost $5,000 to $25,000. Wow! So the bathroom, guys, will cost you half of the actual kitchen remodel, and the kitchen remodel will cost you like a half of the overall remodel of the house, like 100 to 200k. Amazing. A new facade and roof may cost 6,000 to 20,000 depending on the material style you choose. To get more accurate estimates, you may want to use a home renovation cost calculator. Okay, so you see, it also gave us a couple of recommendation companies for constructions. So here is the my question: how did it generate this? Is these guys are paying Bing? Are they running ads so they're gonna get recommended and anybody else will not get recommended? Right, that's a good question. Let me ask one more question. Can you give us an approximate budget for only one room? Let's see, one room and What else? Maybe backyard upgrades. Alright guys, we wanna make it, first big and large questionnaire, and then we're gonna niche down. We wanna see what we can get as an answers if we actually make the task much easier instead of asking for the whole remodel estimation. Let's see the smaller one. So sure, I can give you the rough idea how much it will cost. According to these sources, the average cost to remodel a home in Long Island is $30 to $70 per square foot. You see that? The previous estimate that we got earlier were much higher. Were like it right over here, guys, 60 to 150. Okay, now we got down to $50, right? $30 to $70. So it's a huge difference. Okay, such living rooms, bedrooms, $375 per square foot for the wet rooms, such as bathrooms and kitchens. This means that if you have 200 square foot room, you may expect to pay $6,000 to $14,000 for a dry room and $75,000 for a wet room. Wow. As you saw over here, guys, it's not so precise. I would say it still gives us plenty of general information, but these estimates, if we assume that they are accurate, it's still kind of helpful, right? If you're on the go, if you drive your car and you just ask a question randomly to get some ideas how much money you would need for each of the spaces, it's still helpful. Make sure that you check the other videos and the other tests and case studies we did on the other platforms such as Bart AI and ChatGPT. Subscribe for the channel, guys, and of course come back for more.